Nothing. I'm just laughing because I didn't order my coffee and then I'm drinking
You didn't?
I
Why?
didn't order. I don't want.
You said you won.
No, because you have tea, so I didn't.
I'm so thirsty, man.
Okay.
105. I need to drink so much. Are you drinking the last?
You know, I like that. I don't order and then I just eat what the order.
Mm. You should order milk.
Hello guys. Hello Alexander. Late kami guys sa kanyang football play. So mga 45 minutes na lang yata yung I mean 15 minutes late sa Alexander. Yes, Alexander? Why you're late? Kasi ako yung nag-drive. Tapos pag ako yung nagda-drive, kailangan pa ng L. Oh God. Tapos si Afam din, hinihintay pa namin. Ang tagal din ni Afam. So anyway, we will play and hopefully mag-enjoy si Alexander today. Parang wala yata masyadong tao. Yan, sobrang ano guys, sobrang busy ng life guys. Kaya ganito, late sa mga appointments. Oh my goodness, ang init, malamig siya pero mainit. Tapos nakalimutan ko magdala ng sunglasses guys. So yan, nasa sasakyan lang si Afam kasi nga ano, pagod din siya. So yun, pagod siya and I don't want to supposedly sana na magpunta siya dito kasi nga gusto ko siya magpahinga din. Kaso nga lang, gusto niya din kasi ako mag-practice ng driving kasi malapit na yung test ko, December. And then, sabi ko sa kanya, kukuha na lang ako ng driving instructor. Pero sabi niya, hindi ko daw kailangan kasi marunong naman ako mag-drive. It's just that, may mga, I need to practice lang sa mga, like for example, pag si signal hindi ako nag-watch masyado sa before signaling, pero kailangan kasi sa exam as in totally you're doing it perfect, totally kailangan gawin mo yung tama, like before ka mag-signal, mag-ano ka muna, check ng mga mirrors bago ka mag-signal. Ako kasi nagsisignal ako tapos checking the mirrors, ganun ako, which is dapat hindi. So may mga bagay akong ginagawa na dapat hindi daw ganun. So yun yung problema, pag marunong ka nang mag-drive, parang for you it's not so important, mga ganyang rules, pero exam kasi guys. Kaya kailangan perfect tayo, kasi ayoko talaga na hindi mapasa. I will be sad talaga pag hindi ako nakapasa kasi nga I know marunong ako mag-drive. At saka never pa ako nagka-accident sa Pinas. And here naman sa UK wala ding. Hinayaan lang naman ako ni Afam na mag-drive, pero yun lang nga. Pag after ng driving, sinasabi niya kung ano yung na-observe niya hindi okay para ma-improve ko siya or ma-change ko siya. So yan, fingers crossed tayo. Hindi ko kayo makita kasi nga napaka-sunny. Tapos si Alexander naman, so far mas last na siya ngayon na shy. So hopefully soon, dadalhin ko siya sa soft play Monday siguro, or gusto ko siya dali sa swimming pool. So baka dadalhin ko siya I don't know when, maybe Monday. Oh my goodness. Or no, oh my goodness, kasi kailangan niya din mag-try ng swimming. Kasi I notice naman difference pag always siyang nasa labas, nagiging less shy na siya ngayon. Kaya sige na lang, you know, look at him. Yan, at least nakikipaglaro na siya sa ibang bata. Kasi before, hindi talaga siya naglalaro, hindi siya nakikisalamuha sa ibang bata. Tsaka, hindi yan ganyan. Last na siya, last actually siya. Ito yung kailangan nilang gawin dito. What are you doing?
What's the truck?
Alexander is so funny.
Come on. Come on. Otherwise I want that and that.
Okay, let's go.
What's the truck? They don't that thing.
Super happy ni Alexander ay. Super happy niya. Alexander, happy siya after ng kanyang after ng kanyang here is wet. Just move here. Yeah. Yeah, didn't notice it. Okay guys, punta na kami. Kakain kami ng Burger King because Alexander is
No, what dog?
yeah. McDonald's. Ayaw niya ng Burger King, McDonald's daw.
All fixed it. Why?
No, it's not. Hello guys. Nandito kami guys. Sobrang stress mag-drive. Kasi nga, may mga dito sa UK is may mga bus lane lang, mga ganon. So anyway, especially nag-drive kasi ako sa isang place na hindi ako familiar ng mga roads. Yeah? What? Yeah, I'm not going to bus lane. It's not allowed. Yeah. I cannot hear you. Oh God, let's see. Nandito kami sa Quick Fix. Kasi nga, yung sasakyan, gusto kong ipa-check ang tire niya. Kasi nag-indicate siya sometimes ng tire, something like that. Or kailangan na din namin talaga ipa-change yung tire. And then, I need to also basta ang daming bayarin. Pag may sasakyan ka guys, ang dami mong babayaran. Kasi, you know, you cannot hindi mo pwedeng hindi i-fix kasi nga sasakyan yan for your safety. So, yun lang naman, yung tire tsaka yung mirror. Ito yan ay. Yung mirror niya kasi guys, sometimes pag ino-on mo yung car, pag ino-open mo yung car, gumaganon siya. Hindi siya as in super, you know, yung pinix na siya ng dealer. Kasi nga, nasa ano pa siya, nung before na namin bilhin, may problema na siya ganyan. So, pinix niya, but still it's showing. So, kukontakin namin ulit yung dealer na i-fix kasi nga meron pa kaming 2 months na 2 months pa na warranty. And then, eto namang sa tire kasi kailangan din talaga i-change yung tire. Pero yung indicator na nagsho-show is pwede naman lang i-repair nung dealer. So yan, super pagod kami ni Alexander pero super happy ni Alexander, which is very good. Super happy niya sa kanyang football game. Yeah?
I'm so tired.
Tired? Oh dear. Okay guys, update ko kayo mamaya. Ito pala, nadumihan siya. Kailangan ko nang mag-washing na ulit. Okay, see you later. Nito si Apam ay kaaway kami ngayon. Ayaw ko siyang kausap kasi nga very strict siya pag nagde-drive ako.
Okay, so they will check it all. Yeah, now. And if the tires have to be changed, they will change it as well.
Okay.
They will check this warning on the dashboard.
Okay.
So we need to leave this car for a while here.
Okay. How many hours?
I don't know, maybe 1 hour, 2
Okay.
hours, I don't know. 1 hour.
Okay.
Not even that, I don't know, maybe we can wait here.
Okay.
But overall, he needs a key, yeah? So
Okay.
we need to go out now.
Okay.
So take everything out, what you need.
Okay. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.
Okay.
Are you okay, Alexander? Are you okay, Alexander? Do you want I don't give you the my squirrel dito. Ang daming squirrel dito naman. You should be fast, okay? We are in the park. Ito na yung order namin sa McDo kasi gusto ni Alexander mag Happy Meal. So, we have coffee, ay Alexander Happy Meals with fruits and something. Tapos, si Afam naman, burger, tsaka wrap and something. So, there's a chair there. We can go there, Alexander. Bench, okay. Mali-mali yung mga sinasabi ko. Away kami ng away ngayon.
I don't like what you said.
So we're just here sa park guys kasi very relaxing dito kumain. Kasi doon sa McDonald's busy kaya dito. Tapos sa Squirrel naman kumakain din siya. Binibigyan namin ng fries. And ito naman dito yung aking kasamang
You become so
may
fat.
attitude. And Alexander
So hard?
is happy. What you say?
You didn't eat. So what do you want to eat?
Oh no. Ah, no. Stop. Ew, that's dirty water.
What's your order, Alexander? Okay.
I need the taste of this.
Tea and donut.
Like this one.
Yeah, I like this.
Mommy, oh,
And your order is later, okay?
Listen. Oh, the donut is so swirly. Oh,
No.
the donuts are so swirly.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why you should go out and order. Then you keep on ordering every day, but it's like at home, it's different. Mm. From this side, from this side.
How their life looks like that now. For 1 week. And when you come back here,
Thank you. Yeah, thank
you
you.
want to eat that? No,
Yeah,
no
that's it.
sugar,
Yeah.
no sugar.
No sugar?
No
Ah,
sugar, no.
okay. Tissue. Slowly, slowly. Get the tissue full. Come on, get the tissue.
So easy when I just did that.
Nothing.
I'm gonna do that.
Relax.
I'm just laughing because I didn't order my coffee and then I'm drinking
You did it?
I
Why?
didn't order. I don't want.
You said you won.
No, because you have tea, so I didn't.
I'm so thirsty, right?
Okay.
105. I need to drink so much. Are you drinking the rest?
You know, I like that. I don't order and then I just eat what they order.
Mm.
Guys, finally, bumili ako ng coffee. So, nag-order na ako ng coffee kasi nga,
This place is so bad.
I really love coffee. You will give me milk.
Don't do like this. Just like this.
Yan, tsaka may pa-star pa sila dito. Si Apam tapos na siya sa kanyang tea. Si Alexander naman, gusto niya pang kumain. Pero ang dami niya nang kinain kanina, diba? Yan. Sarap lang. It's nice. I like it.
So I'll ask him to show this old alloys. What's wrong with that?
Oh, yeah.
So I can see why he's changing it.
Mm. Tastes good.
Like it's the other tire.
Okay.
Then we go to this garage.
Ah.
When we go to this garage again, show him.
Yeah.
These alloys look like this. What you saw me? I had to, buy.
Do you know what I eat that sometimes?
No, I did.
No, I eat it sometimes.